Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics, then act. Identify whether the media is USB, SD, or external HDD, and note its file system. Once done, inspect physical switches. Many SD cards have a tiny read-only tab that must be unlocked. Make sure you close open files and properly unmount or eject the drive so the system won't block changes. If any data is accessible, back up critical files now because subsequent steps can overwrite or erase content. Next, switch to system-level tools to remove write protection. On Windows, open an elevated command prompt, run disk part, select the volume and issue attributes disk clear read-only. That often frees the device. On Mac OS or Linux, use diskutal unmount, then repair with FSCK, or adjust flags with chatter on Ext file systems, and HDParm for drive-level write locks. Run file system repair utilities like chkdsk/f or FSCK for final resolution. Decide whether to reformat after backing up. Reformatting to a compatible file system like XFAT usually restores write access. If the issue persists, update device firmware, swap cables, try another USB port or adapter, and test the media on a different computer to rule out host-side policies. Make sure to secure erase if disposing. Troubleshooting tip: if the media still shows write protection despite all steps, the controller may be failing. Stop attempts that write repeatedly to avoid further damage and consider recovery specialists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.